Troubleshooting an LG front-load washing machine door that will not close properly. There are a few reasons the door on your LG front-load washing machine might not close properly. Let's troubleshoot. First, are you seeing an error code on the display? A De2 error code indicates that the door is not closed properly. In this case, open and reclose the door and see if that clears the code. A De2 error code indicates that the door is closed but not locked. To clear the code, turn off the washer, pull the door open, and restart the cycle. Then close the door firmly. If either error code persists, close the house water taps and unplug the washer. The unit will require a repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page. Another reason for the door not closing properly could be that the door has been damaged. If the door is damaged, please visit our Request a Repair page. Also check if the door is loose. If the door has been removed and reversed or replaced, it may not have been tightened properly. The door can also become loose if anything has weighted it down, such as laying clothing and other items across the door. Note that children should not be allowed to hang on the door. A door may become loose if the door is lifted when opening or shutting it to get past items such as a laundry basket or pile of clothes placed in front of the unit. In any case, the door may have to be replaced. Lastly, if the door is not loose, check if the door gasket is torn or damaged. A torn or damaged gasket may allow leaking from the door and will have to be replaced. If the gasket is not torn or damaged, please contact LG customer service to arrange inspection and repair service. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.